Hello, welcome to another edition of Out and About with Martin. Today we're at the summit of the Snake Pass in the Peak District in Derbyshire, and we're visiting the crash site of the US Air Force B29 Overexposed. The B29 was usually used as a bomber, but this particular aircraft, named Overexposed, was a reconnaissance aircraft. It was on the 3rd of November 1948 that the aircraft left RAF Scampton in Lincolnshire, bound for the US Air Force Base in Warrington. It is believed that due to bad weather, poor visibility and crosswinds, the crew miscalculated their position and started their descent early, crashing onto Bleaklow Moor near the Snake Pass. The wreckage remains there today as a memorial to the 13 aircrew that died. It's a pretty straightforward walk up to the crash site. It's become so popular that the National Park have now put up signs directing people directly to the wreck site. One of the tragedies of this air crash was all 13 members of the crew were killed, but the mission they were on did not require all 13 members to be on board. However, RAF Scampton, where they were based at that time, was a very isolated air base with very few home comforts and very few facilities. They were flying to the air base in Warrington to spend a few days there, which was a much larger airbase with many home comforts and many more facilities, so all 13 crew decided they wanted to visit the airbase. Tragically, they were all killed. So we want to continue walking now as we leave the air crash site up to the High Stones trig point, and then do a circular route back to where we started. It's not far, it's only a couple of miles, but you do get some amazing views. Here we are, High Stones trig point. It's only about 50 metres away from the crash site, and as you can see, had the plane covered another 100 metres, it would have been descending in the correct spot to come down towards Manchester and Warrington. In the valley there you can see the town of Glossop. Over in the distance it's the outskirts of the city of Manchester. Turn left, head over this direction. In the distance, you can see the cars where we came from. So I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, click the like button. If you didn't, always post a comment, explain why you didn't like it. You can see more of my videos on my channel, Out and About with Martin. Click on the subscribe button and you will get notifications every time I upload a video. I usually upload them every Sunday evening, usually ready for Monday morning. So until next time, thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.